If you don't know me, I'm Chesh, and today we're trying sodas. And our first soda is, try and guess what it is. I'm sure you never had this soda before, and it is Jarritos Lime, baby. Tastes like Sprite. And Sprite is my favorite soda, so like 9 out of 10. Next is Bloom Pop, strawberry flavor. And it's a prebiotic soda. And I did have Lollipop a couple of days ago. Anyway, let's try it. I don't know how to explain the taste, so Mama will test it.
Okay, yeah. The strawberry cream by Bloom Pop.
You'll love it. That's good.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna have more.
I like that a lot.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. Refreshing. Strawberry definitely comes through. Definitely feels like a soda. Even
It says
cane sugar in
3 grams of sugar, and look, it says prebiotic soda.
Let me see if it has a different kind of sugar in it too. Yeah, it has stevia. So if you're familiar with kind of that like stevia aftertaste, it does have a little bit of that. But I give it 2 thumbs up. A 9 out of 10 for me.
10 out of 10.
All right. Thanks, Chesh.
Now we're having Popwell orange cream popsicle flavor. Ooh. That is our first time. Okay, so our next soda is another prebiotic soda. Now this is an Lollipop. It's Poppi Cherry Limeade. Ooh. I have no idea how to explain it. Just a thumbs up for me. Actually gave it like a 20 out of 10 or 8. 20 or 8 out of 10. So, we're trying this soda now. So we're trying. Eight out of 10 for this one. 7 out of 10 for this one. I like this Jarritos Lime. I recommend these sodas. I've never had Jarritos in my life, so this is my first Jarrito soda. This is the first video where I mix the things up. Let's mix all of them up. Okay, begin. And let's fill in this. Look at this. All the flavors together are good. Tastes like this, but orange flavored. It's the best soda I've had. 11 out of 10. That's really. Other rating type for this, 75 out of 110. 200 out of 200 out of 199. There's some other ways you can do the rating. So combine all these and taste test them. And always keep drinking. So that's a lot of soda. When you're like sucking this up, you have the taste. But it feels like normal fizz. After I poured more of this in here. I literally have to drink it with my tongue like a dog. Oh gosh, that's very close to the edge. The winner is strawberry sauce. If you remember last video, I had if you didn't know, I had Japanese food products. If you've seen that video, go please check that out. Please check that video at the end of the video. So here it is right there. Please like and subscribe. Please click that video. Hope you like and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching Pierce Productions.